Check out my Society 6 shop at society6.com/keepitcrafty. Or for these specific products, you can find links in the description below. Pump up a brown 260 balloon all the way. Then line up the ends and twist the balloon in half at the bottom. Then twist the two halves together. And twist the ends into two one-finger bubbles. Take the nozzle and pull it down towards the last twist. And then twist it into that twist. That will give the balloon a cleaner look. Put that balloon aside for now and pull out a light blue or light turquoise 160 balloon. Pump it up all the way just like you did with the last balloon. Now let a little bit of the air out just to make the balloon softer. It's okay if a tiny bit of the balloon is deflated at the end. Line up the ends of the balloon and twist it in half at the bottom. Then twist both sides together. Of course, the whole reason for all the twisting is to give the axe that pixelated look that the Minecraft diamond axe has. Twist the end into two one-finger bubbles. Grab the nozzle and twist it into the previous twist. Now grab all four bubbles and twist them together to connect the two balloons. Adjust the bubbles so the brown bubbles are on top of the blue bubbles. Now make a 3-finger bubble at the end of the blue balloon. Cover up the end bubble and kind of eyeball how you can break up the rest of the blue balloon into 3 equal parts. Then make 2 twists in order to do that. If the end bubble comes undone, that's okay, just retwist it. This part's a little tricky, but you're going to want to twist that end bubble around the twist just below the cluster of 1-finger bubbles. Readjust the axe so that the 2 brown bubbles are above the blue bubbles. The 3-finger double bubble should be sticking out at the back. Then pull down the blade part of the axe and tuck the bottom corner of it into the twist in the handle. Adjust the 3-finger double bubble so you can see both bubbles from the side.